Are you looking for a simple yet highly effective exercise that can transform your health? Look no further. In this video, we'll explore the astonishing benefits of planking daily for a healthier you. Benefit number 1, a stronger core. Planking engages multiple muscle groups, including your abdominals, back, and shoulders, leading to a more stable and powerful core. Benefit number 2, improved posture. Planking helps strengthen the muscles responsible for supporting your spine, resulting in better posture and reduced strain on your back. Benefit number 3, increased flexibility. As you hold a plank, you're stretching and expanding your shoulder, collarbone, and shoulder blades, promoting greater flexibility over time. Benefit number 4, enhanced metabolism. Planking activates your muscles, which increases your metabolic rate, helping you burn calories more efficiently even after you finish exercising. Benefit number 5, better balance and coordination. Planking requires balance and stability, which helps improve your overall coordination, making everyday activities easier. Benefit number 6, reduced risk of injury. By strengthening your core and stabilizing your muscles, planking can minimize the risk of injury during physical activities and sports. Benefit number 7, boosted mental strength. Planking challenges your mind as much as your body, teaching you discipline, perseverance, and mental resilience. There you have it. 7 astonishing benefits of planking daily for a healthier you. Give it a try and start enjoying these incredible advantages today. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and exercises. Stay fit, stay healthy.